Sawang-sawa na ba kayo sa ginisang gulay at sa chopsuey? May kakaiba akong vegetable recipe na sigurado magugustuhan ninyo.
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha-ha.
Gamit ang mga gulay na karaniwang hinahalo sa chopsuey, gagawin natin isang Japanese-inspired dish, ang okonomiyaki o tatawagin natin ngayon na Tortang Chopsuey. So, start natin yung ating dry ingredients. So, meron tayong 1 cup of flour dito. Meron tayong 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Yan, very easy to do. And halo na natin yung dry ingredients natin. Konting black pepper. Then, we make a well inside. Then, what do we add? We add our eggs. So, kailangan natin ng 2 eggs. Two eggs. Then, a little bit of oil, around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix natin little by little. And we slowly add our water, around 1 cup of water as well. So, we're making like a pancake batter. Just add little by little para hindi mag-lump yung ating mixture. Then, we add around 4 tablespoons of Datu Puti oyster sauce for flavor. So, it's basically a savory pancake. And here, from here, meron tayong magandang butter. Look at that. Very light butter. We add our vegetables and our flavoring. So, we have garlic, konting garlic. Konting onions. Meron tayong carrots. So, ito, you can be creative here. Anong gusto mong ilagay? Pwede mo lagyan ng sayote. Pwede mo nilagyan ng shrimp, chicken strips. You can have canned tuna. You can have whatever. Meron tayong baguio beans. Meron tayong spring onions. And ang marami nating ilalagay ay chopped cabbage. So, basically, that's it. No? Yan. Mix it up. Look at that. So, it will be a thick, fluffy pancake. And, here, napakasulit lang niya, di ba? Oil, not too much oil. We don't want to make our pancake soak in oil. Spread the oil, warm it up, and we pour the mixture into our pan. Here. So, it's a thick pancake. So, what do we do para sigurado natin na cook through yung ating pancake ay we just allow it to set for a minute. Then, we turn down the heat para to slowly cook, para mag-penetrate yung heat hanggang magluto at saka mag-firm up ating pancake before we flip it. So, ngayon nakikita natin after a few minutes, nagpo-firm up na yung sides siya. Pero yung gitna niya, medyo basa pa siya. So, ito, konting confidence na yung kailangan nyo. Lakas ng loob nyo lang to be able to flip it. No? So, we just use a plate. Ito yung, kahit anong klaseng torta, ito yung pwede mong gawing technique para hindi kayo mahirapan. Confidence. 1, 2, 3. Flip. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda ng top niya. Then, you just slowly slide it back into the pan. So, kailangan walang hesitation, ha? Kasi nag-hesitate kayo, dun siya babagsak, dun siya masisira. Then, we let it cook again on the other side. Yan. So, it will take lesser, around 2 minutes siguro on the other side to be able to cook the pancake. So, while we're waiting for our pancake to finish, gagawin natin, gagawa na tayo ng sauce. So, parang, di ba, pag okonomiyaki, meron siyang parang sauce on the top na medyo matamis-tamis, maalat-alat. So, gagawa tayo ng ating sariling version, no? So, simple-simple lang. Huwag na natin pahirapan na 5, 6 ingredients. Ito, sobrang simple lang ng gagawin natin. Gagamit lang tayo ng sweet chili sauce. Yan. Sweet chili sauce. That's around 1/4 cup sweet chili sauce. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So, gamit ko ang Datu Puti na oyster sauce. Around 2 tablespoons. Yan. Yan. Oops. And we mix it together. So, tawag ko dito parang oriental sauce. So, masarap din tong mixture na to. Itong concoction ko na to. Maraming pwede itong gawing dishes. So just sweet chili sauce and your oyster sauce. So now our pancake is firm, you see. Malalaman mo kasi luto pag pines mo sa gitna, hindi lumulubog yung finger mo. Ibig sabihin, luto na siya, nag-firm up na siya. And you have to have a little patience kasi may raw flour siya. Ang lasa ng raw flour, hindi maganda, no? At saka magiging grainy siya. You have to be sure you take time to cook it properly, low fire. Or you can also use parang cake, di ba? Pancake siya. Use a toothpick. And if it comes out dry, it's cooked. So it's done. So easy. I'm so excited. I really love this recipe. Easy to do. Pwede kung ako, I like it with seafood. I really love this with seafood. Then we put our sauce on top. So medyo fancy. So you can also put like ganito, then you drizzle mayonnaise on top. You just garnish with a little bit of spring onion. So who would have thought our chop suey with a twist? Here is our Tortang Chopsuey. Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.